Segment 1. What is economic identity? Your economic identity is the internal image of the kind of person you believe you are financially, not the person you say you are. The person your subconscious is fused with. Examples: struggler identity, survivor identity, stable income identity, wealth builder identity, high value identity. Your economic identity is like a thermostat. It regulates your income back to what feels normal. Fire segment 2, the fusion principle. Fusion means your identity and your income level have become locked together. You cannot rise beyond what you have fused with because your mind will always return you to it. Fusion happens through childhood money patterns, environment, conditioning, repeated financial experiences, social circles, self-definition, internal conversations. Fusion equals financial autopilot. If you fuse with scarcity, you sabotage increase. If you fuse with abundance, you normalize growth. If you fuse with wealth, opportunities appear as right. Counterclockwise arrows. Segment 3. The 3 states of economic identity. Fusion 1. Negative fusion. Limit identity. You're fused to lack, fear, or low value. Any increase feels uncomfortable. You shrink back to what feels familiar. Signs: self-doubt, fear of charging higher, rejecting opportunities, staying in low-income spaces, avoiding visibility. 2. Neutral fusion. Stagnant identity. You're not declining, but you're not rising. Your income stays the same for years. Signs: predictable, but limited earnings, repeating the same year, no fresh results, no economic expansion. 3. Positive fusion. Wealth identity. You have fused with a higher version of your financial self. Your actions, expectations, and decisions align with wealth. Effects: higher opportunities appear, you attract value, you negotiate better, your income normalizes at a higher scale, you think and move like someone with capacity. Fire segment 4. How to refuse your identity for wealth. Step 1. Break identity mirrors, challenge the old story that shaped your financial identity. Step 2. Build internal scripts. Speak internally like the person who earns the level you desire. Step 3. Replace your environment, fuse with new circles that normalize wealth. Step 4. Practice high-value behavior. Show up daily as the higher identity. Your income adjusts to follow.